Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have Butterlace 13 and I have her in the color 1B/4 and she is so beautiful. I love the color. So here's her cap construction. I believe she is average head friendly. I do have a larger size head for reference. She does come with 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable strap. She also features a 5-inch parting space. And this is how she looks onto my head, which is not bad. I feel like I just need to tint the lace and add some powder in the parting area. And the parting area looks really good. So now I'm going to go in and tint the lace. So now that I've tinted the lace, I'm gonna go in and actually kind of install this like a 4x4 because I don't know, just being lazy today, because honestly it did fit, but for this particular style, because it wasn't pre-plucked as I would like, I'm not gonna install the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just kind of installing a portion of it, and that is a lazy girl hack. Okay, you don't have to always install the full thing. You can install it like a closure, and I feel like it's super beginner friendly. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install it and make the unit work for me. As far as shedding and tangling with this unit, I did experience a normal amount of shedding and tangling, but it was nothing excessive. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish making this unit work for me, and of course you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. To have a taste, you're the one and only girl that can cure my Chris. Wait, show your figure with that booty, girl. I can't relate. Let me rock you, girl, cause I will not hesitate. Say back, girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say back, girl, make you move it for me. Body to the left and body to the right. Oh, you're back, girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. My sexy bad girl, my sexy bad girl, Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have Sensationnel's Butterlace What Lace Unit 13, and I have her in the color T1B/4, and I absolutely love this color. While you might not be able to tell on camera, like, this is cute, honey. Like, I got a black root because you guys know I live for my 1B, and then I have 4 at the bottom, and I just love the color. Like, even though it looks very natural, like, I don't know, I can see it because I love 1B so much, and I just think it looks so pretty. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right on into the details and the specs on how I feel. So this is their virtually undetectable HD lace. Now, as far as it being pre-plucked, I feel like it's not like as pre-plucked as the other units in the Butterlace collection. So yeah, I don't know. And also, I know I said What Lace, but this is actually just the Butterlace, so my bad, y'all. But yeah, like, I feel like the other ones in the other collections are definitely like pre-plucked a lot more. As you guys can see, I did go in and pluck a little bit because, you know, I wasn't trying to be out here looking crazy, but I did go ahead and pluck a little bit right there just so that, you know, my little adult hairs is not looking all crazy. But if you guys could see, like, the hairline is pretty dense, which is okay for this style. Like, I definitely wouldn't count this style out because of that, but I just don't feel like it's pre-plucked as much as the other ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the claims and just let you guys know, like, whether they're true or not. So it says it has virtually undetectable HD lace. Now, I do really like the lace because it did melt into my skin, so that is good. It says it blends with most skin tones. Now, that's a lie. it's a lie, okay? I had to tint this, okay, to get it to where I needed it to be, but I do like the fact that the lace is transparent, because once I put my foundation on there, it does, like, it makes it very easy. But this lace is ashy, so don't think you about to just put this on your head and be good to go unless you're like transparent. Like, so it says that it does come with ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. So the parting area do look really good, and it is 5 inches. All I did was tint my lace, and then I went over it with powder just to make it a little bit more apparent, and I think it looks really good. So it says pre-plucked with baby hair. This unit does have baby hair, but for me, in my personal opinion, I just don't feel like it's as pre-plucked as the other ones in the Butter Lace collection. But you guys can be the judge for yourself. I think it's pretty dense, but it still looks good, especially because it is a part style, so I feel like you can still make it work. And then the last claim is that it has a natural density hairline. Again, in my personal opinion, I don't feel like it's natural. I don't know, because my hairline, like before I was like shaving off and stuff, like my hairline was thick, but I don't know, I don't feel like this is natural in my opinion. Some people hairline is naturally like this thick, but I don't know. For me, what I think a natural density, I'm thinking like, okay, like something that's a little bit more pre-plucked. So I guess it's just off personal preference. But overall, I do like the unit. I feel like she is a super cute look. I feel like you can even wear her for every day, like just even lounging at home, going to the grocery market, and you can even take her up. Like you can go on date night with her, hang out with the girls, or whatever it is that you do on your special occasions. I feel like she's just an all-in-one unit, so I do like her. Even though I have cons with her, like it's just the hairline. Other than that, I don't really have cons. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit, which was okay. It was like a normal amount. It wasn't anything that was too excessive. But yeah, like I said, I do like her. I would definitely recommend her. And if you are a person who likes natural colors but you just want a little something, definitely check out this color, because I hope you guys can see it on camera. It's cute. Like, I love the 4 at the bottom with the 1B root. Like, I just feel like it's super cute, and it just gives you a little something different. But overall, I do like it. If you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. You do not want to miss any of my upcoming videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.